Hello, I'm Uzair, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your ads for your video ads campaign. So now we've gone through the campaign and the ad group setup. The last bit is the ad. So at the bottom over here, after you've gone through the ad group setup, you'll see create your video. So the first thing you need to do is to upload your video or videos to YouTube or to your channel. Then take the URL from there and paste it in here. Once you paste the URL, you will get the preview of that video. So that means that's correct. Now you've got two options. One is the in-stream ad and one is the video discovery ad. So the discovery ad is when you see at the top of the YouTube search page when a video comes up, and the in-stream video ads are those which are those skip ads after 5 seconds, and that's what we are setting up right now. So I'll select in-stream video. You will get a preview on how it is going to look on the mobile and on the desktop. So as you see that you have the skip button or skip ad button on the actual video ad. Okay, now we've got a couple of other things where a lot of people get confused between the final URL and the display URL. Do they need to be the same? No, they don't, but they do need to be on the same domain. So if I were to put in the final URL, let's say I was sending this to my website's blog page. The display, I could have the same one, or I can have it just like that as the top level domain, because quite often sometimes when you have got a very long URL, then obviously it's not going to display, so it's only going to display the top level domain. So once I've set that up, this is extremely important, the call to action. Although it says here optional, I would highly recommend that you use this every time, because have a look over here what happens when I check this box. See, you get this call to action button on the actual video, and on the mobile it goes underneath it, so it's even bigger on the mobile, which is the full width of that actual video. I'm not sure whether it's a lot bigger on the mobile or not, but anyhow, it fills up the screen, as you can see. So I would highly recommend that you have that call to action button, unless you are running a video ad campaign just for branding purposes and you are not bothered about driving traffic to your website. Call to action button, let's say, so you got only 10 characters for that button. So learn more is 10 out of 10, which fits in quite nicely. And then the headline is made up of 15 characters. So I could have anything, something like video marketing. Okay, is 15 as well, so that fits in nicely. You don't need to worry too much about the tracking template. And then you've got the last bit, which is either you want to auto generate an image for the companion banner. Now the companion banner goes over here on the right hand side. Again, I'll recommend that you upload it, because you are getting free branding, and that banner keeps showing up even after the ad has been skipped. So again, you are getting free branding for if nobody clicks on it. So your name and your company name or your message goes up there. So I tend to upload my own image, and the dimension of that artwork or the size of that banner is 300 by 60 pixels. So 300 wide and 60 pixels in height. If you don't know how to do that, just get a graphic designer to design one for you. And the last bit which you need to do is write the ad name. So you can put in, whatever it is, video marketing ad. Let's say I've got multiple variations of this ad. Now you want to have at least 2, if not 3 ads. I tend to stick with 2 so I can see which one is working and which one isn't. And then I'm going to stop the losing ad after a little while once I've had enough data, and then replace it with another new version or variation to keep on challenging the winning ad. Now you may ask how much data you need to actually have to make a decision about whether an ad is winning or losing. I personally run these ads for at least 10,000 impressions. Now that's my personal way of split testing. Many people run it for a lot longer, and some people run it for a lot less time. So I find that after 10,000 impressions, I can see whether I'm getting the impressions which you are the view rate which you are getting, and the clicks, conversions, conversion rate, cost per conversions, all these metrics which I look at, because most of my video ad campaigns are for with a direct call to action. So I want people to convert, and not only for just branding purposes. If it is just for a branding campaign, then you want to look at the view rate and how many people, or the percentage of people looking at your ads needs to be as high as possible. And once you've written the name of the ad and uploaded both, obviously you need to upload the first video or the video ad. You save and continue. It's asking me to upload, but I'm just going to check this one for now. Once you set up your first ad, then you can do the same again and upload the next, set up the next ad, and then you will have it in both the same ad group. And then you continue to campaign, and congratulations, you have set up your first video campaign. So I hope you enjoyed this blog post, as well as the 3 videos which are on this page. And if you do have any questions or comments, please do put them in, and I'll do my best to answer them for you. Thanks for being with me, and I look forward to seeing you hopefully in some of my other videos very soon. Bye for now.